I'm Alan Turner from Ravinia Custom Closets here in beautiful Highland Park, Illinois. And I'll take you through my showroom real quick. This is my front room. This is where I show basic closet components. Right here, you'll all recognize a bank of drawers with a lovely countertop on it. I went with the shaker and gold handles. It's a great look right now. I've got glass doors up here. They're very pretty. A lot of people switch to glass after they've seen this in the showroom. Many people didn't even think to use glass, but we show it and they buy it. As we walk down here, I show some larger cabinets. Here I've got shoes located underneath. Shoes are a constant problem for people, so we try to build in a way to store them wherever we can. And then here I've got a mudroom bench, and then I try to show some real world items so people understand the size of openings. And then we've topped it off with crown molding that really dresses it up. Along the way, you'll see different drawer fronts and handles and things like that. They serve as inspiration to my customers to get some ideas for profiles, finishes, etc. As we move through the front room, very recognizable long hang, double hang, shelves, and a hamper. We've got lighting, vertical lighting going up the sides here, and a couple of valets. Again, serving just as inspiration to the customer so they can get some ideas of different options they can add to their closet. Here's a drawer safe by MyCube. Again, topped off with crown molding. The crown molding really adds an aesthetic. It changes a basic closet into a fancy closet, and people love it. Then I've got some bobbleheads, and I've got some trucks from my office furniture days. These are from steel case. And then as we move through the showroom, I've got some other examples of different finish materials and handle finishes, etc. Just to give some color combinations to serve as inspiration for the customers. A stone top, a cabinet, very basic, but we're trying to show a number of different common options that people can choose from. And as you know, we mix and match for every job. We'll come into my office. Again, we designed and built this. And we've got a big, super functional desk here. And then as we move over here, we've got some cabinets and shelving. I'm showing a 96-inch high cabinet here so people understand how tall 8 feet is. When they say they wanted 8 feet, they don't know how tall that really is. So I'll show them this is how tall that is so they get an idea of basically how high that top shelf is. And then we'll continue walking through. This is kind of a dual purpose room coming up here. You'll see on this side, I've got a garage display. Yes, you'll probably notice I'm down to the floor with those cabinets. We would do them differently in a garage. And then we've got our slat wall product right next to it. And this just is a good representation of what a garage could look like. For our customers, we do a lot of garages, mixing and matching the slat wall with cabinets, obviously some shelving too. And it's just a great, super useful display. My newest vignette is done in the Duke finish with a Metro countertop. We've got puck lighting under here, and we've got drawers and cabinets on the bottom. And it's just another example of some of the drawer profiles that we offer. We offer many. And then I've got the flat crown molding up top. Crown molding, again, is super useful. We do plenty of flat. We do a lot of the traditional. We often put the applied base with mitered corners down at the bottom. That is another little detail that makes it's a lot prettier than toe kicks. And so we'll add the applied base. We miter the corners so that it's a furniture look for their house. It's not a closet look, it's furniture. But as we come in here, we've got a custom kitchen pantry showing different options. We've got rollouts. Here's the KitchenAid. We've got wine racks. We've got verticals for trays. We've got a basket. And as you know, we can do anything. Here are just some examples of some of the things that we can do, but it serves as inspiration for the customers to start thinking about options they would like in their kitchen pantry. And we've hung this one, and we show some things underneath it. Again, very typical for a pantry. And then the final vignette, which is just a laundry room. It's not very exciting, but we just want to show that we are capable of doing laundry rooms, and we do them all the time. And this is, again, just to serve as inspiration for our customers to know that we can do a laundry room some of the ideas, the hang rod over the sink and regular slab doors, very basic. But again, it lets our customers know that it is available to them, and we're happy to design a fully custom laundry room for our clients.